Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you Vidula Saugula wonderful photoshoot video. Friends, Vidula Saugula is an Indian film actress and television entertainer. She was born on December 7, 2002, Maharashtra, India. She is mainly working Hindi film industry and Marathi television serial. Vidula Saugula started her acting career as a child artist in the third standard. She acted many child roles include Adil Pacha Padavar, Kanavadi Papa Kajir He, Shadwani Shampi, Rahedun Udala More, Shargas Sant Hant. She received many awards for her hard work of acting industry. Friends, if you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. If you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.